So guys, naata currently karon sa restaurant diri sa Kapitana. What kind of restaurant diri? Espresso Cafe here at TransAsia. So what sa may atong mapanihapon din So nasa day humba, nasa day chicken, o nasa day bihon, chicken food, no? So pakita na ko sa inyo guys ang food. This is the food that they have. Set ni siya chicken and bihon and rice and mineral water that is 150 pesos. And then kung mupalit ka o soft drinks in can, that is 70 pesos. So a total of 220 all in all. So not bad. So this is how the restaurant looks in here. Okay. So this is Biyahe Tayo. Follow for more.